This is how bad the rain can get here. I've never seen it this bad. Have you? She has no face for YouTube. She doesn't want to. I've never seen it this bad. You can barely see it. You can't see forward at all.
Stop.
Oh gosh. Never seen it this bad. Have you?
No. Yes, I have.
Have you seen it?
Worse than this in town.
What?
Worse than this in Decatur.
Dang. No, I said dang. No. Oh my god. Okay, done.